How to accurately assess demand and supply for rental property in a certain location. Greetings from Real Estate TV, I'm Adnan Jalo. Getting a precise reading of the supply and demand in the area is the primary goal when investing in real estate or rental property. So in this video, I'll talk about the characteristics, so watch till the end because every information is vital. When it comes to location, the first thing to check is the demand and supply. Demand should be high and supply should be low. Obtain assistance from brokers and property managers for such information. Demand is more challenging. Estimate demand based on occupancy rate in the area. When occupancy is high, demand is strong. When occupancy is low, demand is moderate. Don't invest there if your study indicates that a given area has more supply than demand. Therefore, what are the three indicators of supply and demand? 1. Employment. People desire to reside close to their place of employment, which drives up demand for rental homes. Employment opportunities increase population. However, you should also consider the employment base, including the companies and other businesses, to see if it's steady or growing. If the companies or other businesses fail, there will be an issue with vacancies. People will vacate the buildings. 2. Population. People visit places where they can live a particular lifestyle, persona, or experience. Population draws are always as strong as employment in places with a firmly defined persona. Never fall into the trap of attractive structures in towns that promises job and a comfortable lifestyle, since they will make you any money. When it comes to demographic questions, seek information from government representatives. Resilience, economic diversity, pioneering, affordability of homes for tenants are things to consider. Third indicator, location. When it comes to real estate, location is everything. Great locations have drive-by visibility. The greater the number of cars passing by your property noticing your for rent sign, the better your chance of success. Great locations possess a rare quality. There's a one-of-a-kind quality you can't find everywhere. And also, great locations are in demand. Never assume you can't afford to look at homes in properties in a hot location. Affordability is everywhere. Even in hot neighborhoods, that's if you buy the property based on operational performance, not on the sale price. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided some helpful information. Please remember to subscribe and like.